guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ella Hidalgo of Star Vision UK. So you see, this is the Marylebone station. There's no one at all and shops are closed. So today is the day that we decided to collect, of course, the pack lunches that we've asked Michaela of Seafoods Galore to cook for us to be donated to the Frontliners. So I'm on my way to Dollar Seal to collect the meals, the food for the Frontliners of Northwick Park Hospital. I can't breathe with this mask. So it's just me and the guy over there waiting. Next train. Ako, but we're on social distancing. Here na, that's our chef from Seafood Galore. Boy, magkasama kami, magkalayo naman. So yan po yung mga trabahador ko, no joke. Sige, lagay yun na lang dyan, ha?
Oh yeah, how much do I transfer it?
So, we're gonna deliver these foods cooked by Michaela of Seafoods Galore sa Northwick Park Hospital, yun po, for Frontliners.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much.
Anytime, let me know. Like, meron tayong ibang project.
Sure, yeah, we'll do. Yeah, that's Michaela of Seafood Galore.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ikaw pala yan. Hindi ko kilala. Ayan pa, from Darwin po. Yeah, Darwin Ward. Salamat po. So with the funds that we raised, we were able to donate 60 pack lunches with choices of course, the Seabass sweet and sour, the satay vegetables, chicken adobo, which is a Filipino cuisine, and with rice, and of course with drinks as well. And we've donated to 3 wards of the Northwick Park Hospital, which is the Fred Salmon North, Darwin Ward, and the Evelyn Ward. And so, bibili pa kami ng drinks additional dito sa Marks & Spencer. Water or juice?
Ganito no? Ganyan lang para sa Lisa?
Okay. Yan. So, we're here at Northwick Park po. Nagdala po kami ng mga pagkain at inumin. Of course, donated by our hello po father from COVID Warriors at sa lahat ng mga we have Raj from Fred Salmon North. Yeah. Pasok po.
Pasok ka ba?
Here in Darwin Ward. Welcome po. Sorry. So we're in Darwin. Thank you. Thank you. Next we're going on the 3rd ward, which is the Evelyn Ward. Evelyn Ward. Delivering the lunch packs for Evelyn.
We have food for you guys. We bring food for you.
For you.
All of you. All of you.
All of you.
tapos na po yung mission namin. Piradang Saikhain and Julie Cana. Mission accomplished. Long time no see. And
The next station, between the train and the platform.
I think we're ready now for a prep. Preparation is ready. So we're ready for cooking. I'm gonna cook soon. It will be for you know, it's a special day because we're cooking for our Frontliners. Sponsored by our Vision. Warriors Corner, Rodel, and Miss Ella Hidalgo. Of course, there's one host with galore, Chef Michaela. Hi guys! Chef Nick is in action with cooking adobo. Yeah, there we go. For our Frontliners. Yeah, so sponsored by Star Vision and other people, like other sponsors. Yeah, this is Star Vision and Warriors Corner. And of course, the Seafood Galore's Kitchen.